Hello and welcome back. My name is Dave and I'm your host for today. Back to the old city Skylines, and see, the population are really moving. It's not busy, but wish they used this third lane up because it's very empty in the third lane. It's very annoying me actually. Granted, this is where they're coming on at. Oop, a bit quick for himself. Surely you would think, there's people coming on here. Let's take the third lane. It's getting a wee bit busy. Come on, you got the advantage. Keep the flow moving. 1 and 1, please, people. 1 and 1. No, okay. Let's put the bridge. Let's put some lights on this place again. Junctions. Let's do this again, so they can actually keep moving. Otherwise, it's gonna get a bit crazy, I think. Yeah. Last time I did the old bridges. Seems to be working a bit. Don't seem too bad. Everyone's going around the bottom because they can't get off here. And can't get off. Well, they can get off here, but they're not taking it so much. They're going around the bottom, but I think they're going to the new harbour I got on the go. Which looks rather smart, actually. Ships colliding in the bay. You've seen that. I would like to put down a... ooh. Aha! Empty, please. Empty, please. No more room at the landfill, so that's going to be chucked somewhere. Don't know where it's going, but it's going to go somewhere. I'm going to empty that and put down another recycling facility. I do think another few more fire brigades around the area would be quite useful. Yeah, the rubber's starting to pile up again. Actually, yeah, I think the fire brigade. That's fire brigade. What was that? Hospitals. Oh. Let's put this down here, just to keep you covered. The police looks really okay. The police, I can't see no issues for the constabilities. Schools too. No universities yet, so let's put down a road over here and get this university cracking in. 90 degrees, people. Never looked like 90 degrees in my life, but okay. University, wasn't it? University. Everyone happy? They got a nice little view at the front there, which is extremely nice. Yeah, that's the way it should go. Little road, so in that way, so go. Of course, got to be careful because the old university sat in the way there. You there? Oh, actually, you there, and you there. You out. Put you in. You. Yeah, that looks good. University looking cracking. You there. You. Oh, I can put ice in that bit yet. Don't want to be too busy, so I'm gonna go like this. That looks nice. Let's get the old paintbrush in. Let's do some shopping. Oh, hang on. Oh, square. Phil. Yes, it. Phil. Where are you, Phil? Fill up. Get here. Damn you, Philip. No, it's looking smart actually. I'm quite liking that. It looks good. Why is that? Oh yeah, because there's no shops there. Put a shop there. Major shopping part. Yeah, I think the industrial's really shouting out for new bits and pieces, so I'll ignore that for a minute. Electrics are looking good. Water, so I need to get down another sewage treatment. Is that the water? Low voltage. So the water's going this way, so I need to put the sewage somewhere else. Where are you? There. I put it on this side. Shouldn't have an issue there, should it? There we go. Oh, power doesn't matter too much, so get the old wind turbine in. Doesn't get close enough. Move you there. The old power should get to it now, hopefully. Yes, it does. But is it enough power? Do you take enough power? What's your output then? Output. There we go. It's clicking now. Yep. I want to try and make like a wind farm one day when I get a chance. Are you nearly emptied yet? 96. That's gonna take a while. I can't do anything about it. It's a fire brigade. Looks like it definitely needs one. Crap. I would have thought 3 there would have been enough, but apparently not. Let's put a 4th one there. That keeps that area looking tidier. Of course, you want to keep it under all like done nicely. You don't want it to go too far under. Yeah, otherwise you can't keep up. Let's put some subways in. I think this would be interesting. Some subways. Not Subway sandwich, but you know. Trying to make it sit the right way. Let's go like that. It sits in the middle then. So that loops up nicely. So go there to there. You go there to there to there to there. Back in a minute. Okay, got a nice little loop completed. So that looks alright. Go to a nice circle now. Hopefully that'll keep them busy over there. Let's try this side. Of course, we're going to get away now. The bridges. Ah, the tunnels. It's going to be an interesting one. I wonder if I can work around that. Alright, just test it out, shall we, people? Let's taste. Test, not taste. What are you going to taste it for? Test it. If not, then I don't think it's going to matter an incredible much. Just want to put enough of these in. Try and get people moving around, I suppose. Otherwise, people will start complaining they can't go nowhere. Yeah, it won't connect on that side because of the things in the way. Oh dear. There we go, got that, and then that worked a lot better. Oh wow, no money. How much these cost? 15,000. I had 300,000 earlier. How was that? Let's connect you up there then, just so you got some kind of route. This don't cost me. No, the route don't cost me. There you go. Got some routes set up. That looks alright. Where are they? Can you see them from here? There it is. Make sure the land's filled in. Yep. Nice little subway. People can't use that, so let's go to a subway people can use. See if we can spot it somewhere. I know it's around here somewhere. No, well, I can't see it. Where are you? Oh, you're just there. You're just there. Oh, look at that. That's good. People are using it. So hopefully just get people around a bit quicker and a bit easier. Would be nice. That's kind of the idea. You can also look at transportation. Line overviews. Rams. So. Don't know which one's which. Oh, I don't know which one's which. It's changed colour. Ah, it's this one. Okay. Right. The blue one's taken. It's got 8 stops. It's got 3 vehicles running, and so far it's got 13 passengers. Weekly passengers 38. Woo! It jumped up. Ah, the other one's gone now as well, so that's nice. What's this? I don't know. Oh, placement. Okay. So looking good actually. I will put some buses down as well. Look at that. You see the? Can we see the trains? There we are. You see them? Got the blue line here. You see the train? That's clever. So it makes them stop in the middle one, so everyone's getting on and off. Which is just there. Looks really cool actually. I like how people gone across. That looks alright. I think that's a good addition actually. hopefully make use of it a lot more. 31,000, so maybe I can maybe I can try and get some of this done. Okay, I got a new couple new lines set up over here, so hopefully it looks nice and dandy. I'm going to connect the two over at some point, these two corners here, so you go back and forth. Which I might be able to do now, hopefully. 13,000 for that loop, so connect you. Oh, hang on, no, connect new line, and stop. Complete. There we go. Just change it a different colour. Could get confusing if you've got all the same colours. Even if an orange one, got yellow already. And keep going. So they'll go back and forth now, so they can go back side to side. Get a train here, a tram, and then work our way around. I haven't connected this up yet because of the power shortage. Oh, I don't know why you're hit and missing for, but I can't afford it. Offshore wind farm. I connect it up. I should put some power back into the city, and hopefully that'll control it. So I might do that offshore wind farm. Hopefully that'll work. I need another 13,000. Oh, 29,000 bank balance a week. That's nice. That's going quite nicely actually. I quite like that. Now let's chuck in the new. Oh, I need a new tunnel first. So new line. Create a new line. And stop. Complete. I'll leave that in green because I've got enough lines now to carry on with that bit. I do need some more money to transfer the two lines here. Oh, I got that, so that's nice. So new line. Stop. Complete. So I'll add that on there, so he's going to be green as well. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm hoping maybe we get rid of the yellow one. I don't want to call him anything. Let's get rid of it. Yes. Actually, let's redo these. The red one. I know, people. I'm sorry. Okay. There's no lines there now, so let's try and make some of it. Hang on. Let's delete you. I don't want you there anymore. So, one loop, two loops, back and forth, yeah. Okay, right. Let's try and put these loops in, people. Okay, I got 3 loops going around now. I got one around this one, the pink one. I got a yellow one, and I got one going around the whole place. I might even do one going up and down the middle here. Create new line. Stop. And stop. So people can go up and down there as well. Which I will leave green, because I got multicolored here. Looking nice. And they're all working to a reasonable degree. And now I've lost where that one was. There it is. So people move around quite nicely now. I want to see it. What's the score on these one then? Metro Line 1. I don't know which one that is. That's the blue one. The blue one. Okay. The blue one I will call. What should we call the blue one? What can I call the blue one? Autumn Heights, I suppose. Let's call Autumn Heights. Go on, load me up the screen. Oh. There we go. Enter. Of course, the orange one I will call City 2. City. I'll call it Transfer 1. Yeah. So orange. Capitals. Transfer 1. And the blue one I'll call Transfer 2. And the yellow one is Hillside District. That one done. Red one. Sure. One red one. There's red ones there. Purple one. Where's the purple one? Purple one's there. Where's the purple one go? Purple one go around? I don't think I need to name all of them. Let's name red one saying, what's it called? Franklin Heights. Franklin the Wood. Frank the Wood. There you go. Don't think they really show up in here. Do they show up in here? Oh, what's the oh, the arrows. Ah, I see. Right, the purple goes all the way around. That's fine. There you go. I'll have it as that. That keeps the city running. A lot of people are taking it now, so reduce the amount of vehicles on the road. So that's a good thing. So you shouldn't have an issue with that. Next, train lines. I ain't got any train lines here, so I'm not gonna put them in. Don't know about buses yet. I think the bus is going to get a bit complicated. I'm hoping to reduce the amount of vehicles on the road. Anyway, I was kind of the idea. A lot of people still coming in. I don't know how that's gonna affect me quite hard, I think. I think I definitely need to set lights up here to finish off for today. That's getting quite busy. No lights in there. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it actually does anything. I don't think it will. It's just gonna pack these up back here. Really, I need underground tunnels, don't I? To leave me. It's because people come back here. This is really getting busy back here, isn't it? Maybe I should quickly add another route off here. That should make it a lot easier. So people can get on there, and then less traffic can sit on here. Oh, the ambulances use the third lane. Oh, let's follow the ambulance. Come on, let's go for a ride to end this video. So, as he's driving, we will follow him as he takes us to a diverted route. And I will say thank you very much for watching. Please tick up that like and subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. I would very much appreciate it. Thank you, and goodbye.